Unboxing the future. Welcome back to Vision Effect TV. Today, we aren't just reviewing a vehicle. We are unboxing the future of luxury transportation. Following the historic flight of XPENG CEO He Xiaopeng, we are getting an exclusive first look at the three production colors for the revolutionary land aircraft carrier. It's time to decide which one belongs in your 2026 garage. The color palette. Cosmic inspiration. First up, stellar silver. Inspired by the crystalline dust of planetary rings, this matte finish represents the ultimate high-tech elegance. Next, we have Moonrock Gray, a bold, stealthy tone inspired by billions of years of lunar history. It's rugged, mysterious, and ready for any terrain. And finally, Supernova White. This isn't just white, it's a brilliant, cosmic radiance that feels like it's descended straight from the stars. Engineering meet aesthetics, the beauty isn't just skin deep. Each 6x6 mothership is perfectly color-matched with its internal flight module. Built on an 800V silicon carbide platform, this beast offers over 1,000 kilometers of ground range and can recharge its aerial partner in just 18 minutes. Whether you choose the sleek silver, the tough gray, or the pure white, you're looking at the world's first mass-produced modular flying car. The choice of chairman, with deliveries starting in the second half of 2026 and a price point targeted under $280,000, the land aircraft carrier is set to redefine premium mobility. But the question remains for the visionaries watching: stellar silver, moonrock gray, or supernova white? Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive unboxings of the world's most advanced tech. I'm Ava, and I'll see you in the future.